So check this out. I'm going to give you guys a good video right now. I went on the roof of the garage, and these freaking, there's nothing out there. It's so hazy. There's nobody out there, and I'm up there, and I'm like, oh, maybe I can see it with the camera. So I'm using the camera zoom in mode. And guess what? One's right above my head. So you're going to see I struggle to get down. I lay down on the garage and have him right above my head. He came out of the clouds to come see me. And then I'm just sitting there talking. I don't know. I'm talking to these guys. I'm trying to make a, conversation. Something is weird. I'm doing what I can. And next thing you know, 2 government drones are coming, and they're right in the middle of everything. And I didn't have my camera on when I was talking to him. I can't believe I'm saying this. I was talking to fucking UFOs. And the government comes in and comes right in and blows what do you say? Interrupts the conversation. That's what I'm trying to say. So anyways, enjoy this video. Here it comes. It's funny. So this is the kind of view what I'm getting tonight on the garage roof. It's so hazy I can't even see anything. See that? Can we see anything? Maybe we can. Let me zoom in. Because I know exactly where they hang out. That's usually where Old Faithful is. Maybe we'll catch something with the camera. This is where... I know exactly where they are. Yep, you see that flash? You see that flash? There he is, right above me. Right above my head. Oh, I gotta sit down. I don't want to fall off the roof. He's right above me. There he is. Now I'm laying down on the roof. Oh, the camera's not getting him. There he is, right there. See that? He came out of the clouds to come see what I was doing on the roof. Cool. That was a bit of a struggle to see him, but he's like right above my head. He came out to come say hi. That's weird, huh? They watch me. They don't hang out like this over anybody else's house, just me. Yeah. And I bet if I took a bike ride to the store, he'd follow me. He's probably like, what the fuck are you doing on the roof? Look at him. You see all the glittering in the background? Isn't that wild? So look, it's just a hazy night. I didn't think I was going to be able to see anyone. It's all cloudy. Oh, I thought he left, but there he is. Look at him just go invisible on me. That is so fucking wild, isn't it? And it's like the government drones are like doing it with their lights or something. They're trying to blend in with these guys. These guys are too smart for them. For some reason, they seem to like me, though. I have no idea why. No freaking idea why. So that's it for now. I'm gonna come back out in a couple hours and say hi to them again. So over and out, guys. Thank you. Who shows up? The government. Trying to pretend like they're fucking not the government. Sitting here talking to my man. He goes invisible because the government's here. See that? They're all coming this way now. Get off my property. See? That's a fake invisible. You can tell. See that? There's another one. They're all over the place. Get off my property, man. I'm talking to my UFO friend. So, as you see, I was literally just laying there talking to a fucking UFO, laying on the roof on my back, and the thing was coming closer to me. And then the government showed up with like 3 of them. You couldn't see them all because I couldn't get them on camera. So that's how that one ended. So I'm going to go back out there later tonight. But this is a good video, wasn't it? Okay. Over and out. Crazy Bill. 3:15 a.m. on September 9th. I actually got the date right this time on the first run. I thought I had recorded something earlier. It had the orb in it. Oh my god, it was beautiful. The orb looked like perfect blue. It looked like it was on my yard. But somehow, of course, want to hear something funny? I didn't record it. I thought it was recording for like a fucking 5-minute video. And I never freaking recorded it. That's funny, right? Yeah, because it's so typical of me. So I went back out there to see if I could get it again in the clouds. It's cloudy. There's no more moon, and I'm not staying up all night. So, well, it is all night. It's already 3:30 in the morning. Fucking, I might as well. Okay, so I don't know. I might be back. If not, adios. I'll have something out for tomorrow. So thanks for coming, and please like and subscribe. You know the routine. You hear that up there? Not the cricket.